Hey, good morning everybody. This is D. Atkin here in Parshall, North Dakota. I'm on site today at North Country Oil, the premier provider of oil field services in the Baaken. As you can see, they're involved with trucking, roustabout, hot shots, winch trucks, hydrovacs, snubbing units, which is quite unusual. They've got two great snubbing units, industrial cleaning, hot oilers. And today I'm going to introduce you to a new product and service that they're providing. They call VaporPhase. The ability to clean containment tanks of any kind, treaters, so today, throughout the day, I'm going to be introducing you to the team. Mark Lager's been in the business for over 20 years, providing stellar service, not only in the Baaken, but in the Permian, and now their venture into environmental is an amazing pioneering thing that they've proven up. So I'm going to introduce you today to exactly what we do with VaporPhase.